I'm with Aaron at Club Champion. Been very kindly given me a fitting, going through kind of most of the bag really. Good couple of hours. Got a very sore right arm, but it's been really interesting. So, Aaron, you want to talk about what we've done today?
Yeah, so we'll start with the setup we had currently. So, identified maybe a little bit heavy, and we're not quite getting the elevation we like to see in terms of getting the most out of our bag and our game. So, we went into Yonex to start
Yep.
with, didn't we, with the cavity back just to help a little bit more height. A few different shaft options that we went through, some a bit too heavy and a bit too whippy,
Yeah.
some at the bottom for us for sure. So, we settled on the Fuji in the 40 gram in the regular, which helped us get the best of both worlds in terms of swing and consistency.
Yeah.
Circled around on a few different heads and identified some were again a bit too heavy and not quite getting the height we wanted to see. So went back to the Yonex, few little tweaks we done. We made a little bit more loft on there in terms of the standard at 30. We pushed it up to 34 just to get a bit more height out of it. And we didn't lose anything on the back end in terms of distance because we was getting more on the carry aspect. So we really, really enjoyed them. Then into hybrids.
Yeah.
And again, a few different options that we tried, settled onto pretty much the same shaft
Yeah.
in terms of the Fujikura again in a
And these are, I think you said they're basically regular shafts.
regular
'Cause I was
shafts.
definitely coming here thinking, oh, he's going to fit me into a lady shaft or a senior shaft or
Yeah.
something. But
Yeah. So with the shot shape and our delivery, we still needed stability through the club itself
yeah,
because otherwise we do see them ones we lose low left, as it were.
yeah, yeah,
So we still need some stability, but as long as we can get into the right weight category, we're still in a good space
yeah,
because we can get the most out of the gold clubs with having stability, especially towards the head.
yeah, yeah.
And again, we noted we didn't touch on it actually. The lie angle we went a little bit
Oh, that's
flatter
right. Yeah,
on the irons because you can't swing it in and around yourself, which we could do again on the hybrid. So we settled again on the ping hybrid, where we can adjust that loft and the lie angle. So we
yeah,
went again a little bit flatter into the high launch head just to get the same
yeah,
results we saw in our
yeah.
irons.
Loft has definitely been a challenge.
Yeah, yeah. Loft is king, especially in what we're looking for.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're in
And
a great
then
spot.
I guess less positive result with the driver, a bit more
Yeah.
difficult to find something that was going to really kind of help me.
Yeah, the driver's a tricky one because obviously towards the end a little bit of fatigue through
Yeah,
through
yeah,
the arm as
definitely.
well, but the driver's a little bit trickier keeping the ball in the air.
Yeah,
So we definitely need something with a shorter shaft we found worked really well.
yeah,
And a counterbalance to understand where head and shaft is in proportion to the swing. And again, loft was our friend, so we moved it up into a 12-degree head and moved away to the toe. So it's a bad strike sometimes we're a little bit high toe through the swing,
yeah,
and we just saw it drop out the air slightly. So where we can move the ping head again, weighting towards the toe, slightly flatter setting helped, but a little bit more practice to be done.
yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. Great.
Right.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Cool.